Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for DigitalOcean, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the DigitalOcean website by entering www.digitalocean.com in your web browser's address bar. On the home page, locate the Sign Up button in the top right corner and click on it. You will be directed to the registration page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. After entering your information, click the Sign Up button to proceed. You will receive a verification email from DigitalOcean. Check your inbox for the email and open it to find the verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address. Once verified, you will be taken back to the DigitalOcean site to continue your registration. Next, you'll be prompted to provide billing information. Fill in your credit card details or choose another payment method. DigitalOcean may also ask for your phone number for account security. Enter your phone number and follow the prompts to verify it. After you have completed your billing information, click on the Complete Sign Up button. You should now see a confirmation page indicating that your account is set up. At this point, you can log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the DigitalOcean dashboard. You are now ready to start using DigitalOcean's cloud services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.